Ned Nwoko is not an illiterate, but worst man I've ever seen. And coming outside and saying all those things that he's saying just make me feel say this man. I think they say this man a billionaire now. I think they say this man a philanthropist and he goes school. Why can't they behave like this?
So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So I'm just here covering myself with this because there's no heater here. So this section of this part of the house, there's no heater. So, it's very cold and I don't want to disturb my husband. He's sleeping inside and the kids are just like cack for one corner and react to this Ned Nwoko matter. We say, the thing they make, they all watch this man interview, we say, don't get angry.
So, I'm not sure, say.
This Ned Nwoko matter, sincerely speaking, if you watch this man interview, I believe say nobody say don't watch this man interview, say no get angry, that go feel what is this man saying? They be say big men they get sense. Big men they get sense because they go school, they educated, supposed to have big sense. But in this case, I'm not really seeing sense in waiting this Ned Nwoko they talk at all. That is, I just felt so angry and like, where this man from come? I really pity for Regina Daniel because now she's the only victim in this case. Because any man where be say he see women as, women are everywhere, that women are worthless, doesn't mean anything to him, that kind of no better person at all. For him, in they think, say, in they do women favor by marrying them, small girl. Because for Ned, as far as Ned Nwoko is concerned, for him, he feel say, now help, now they help all these women where they married. Thank God, say he did there to help them. They married them. Things where this man they talk about women. Say if they make me the shame when not be even a wife. If they make me the shame, say I think they say big men they get sense. This man says I beg where the law can put. Mama Regina they talk that time. Mama Regina has always said her daughter come meet her and telling her that Mama I'm in love. I want to get married. Who is she to say okay my pikin don't get married or my pikin don't fall in love whether is an old man or not? I think they talk and another person here was saying so they fall in love. Up till tomorrow, Ned Nwoko has never for any interview said now so when he see Regina for a compound and mama they can't do tourists they can't visit. I don't know what I say he get a whatsoever. When he see Regina he like him. So if after 2 weeks or even 3 days then they get married. So Regina has been saying that na love at first sight. I so much pity for women where be say they can give anything just to be in the hands of a rich man. Not be say you be even first wife. Number 7, even second wife, 7, he's not still balanced. Talking about number 7, and nah. It's just, I believe say maybe before the end of next year now. Before the end of next year, trust me, Ned Nwoko will come out with another wife. Yes, at the top of Regina. If Regina Daniel were to be one hungry, dying girl where be say, in fact, she can give anything just to feed it, just for a man to meet her basic needs. It can be understandable because out of poverty, you can do anything. If you've not been poor before, so maybe you won't understand what I'm saying. But Regina's case was not like that. This man came into her life. They married, sharp marriage. They do all their swearing and so on. She born immediately. Nah. We don't know say this man. Now very person. The man not get shame at all. Shame not dey the man. How can a responsible man where be say you're supposed to be educated? If he is how can a responsible man where be say he don't travel around the whole world, international businessman, philanthropist, be saying that women are everywhere? That is, he seen women to be and they marry them now favor. He they see himself as God to women. If they marry us now out of help. Now they do. Hey God, I don't die. This man, I don't want to make God punish him, but get as he go be if God not punish him because how can you just see women to be they are only good in kitchen and making babies? You don't really see anything good coming out from a woman. It's just all about I'm just married them. Women are too much, so I'm just married them. It's a privilege. I just pity for Regina Daniel, especially not the mother because the mother I believe say he know what thing they put hand before he took an enter. Maybe she don't know up to this level, but she knows that it won't be all roses, all like, honey, darling, the right career and dead. Hard times, not even many past the enjoyment times. The man, I think he go so launch another wife now. Ned Nwoko go so launch another wife on top of Regina, of which it is something very normal. We didn't pretend the man because he married Regina Daniel now, the man will marry another wife again. When they marry you as number 6, I'll be as number 7. You not expect say go put another one in your front. Oh God, I just like this man shine. I don't know where his sense day. How can a responsible man go dey talk say na so women they do a shower for everywhere, they full every junction, every corner? If they say himself as, if I marry you, you should be happy. This life get as it be. This life get as it be. I have so much pity for Regina Daniel, like I said before, and this one will serve as a message to young girls. I've never been against age difference in marriage or in relationship, because if you truly love person, trust me, you will definitely see beyond the age, because it's not just all about physical appearance and and age difference. There's more to it, I believe, in a relationship or in a marriage. I've never been against age difference. I was never against the age difference of Regina Daniel and the man, because everybody gets a reason whereby he won't make and live his life the way he live am. So I'm not to judge anybody at all. But in this point, I seriously going to react about what is going on now, what Ned Nwoko is doing, how the man is making women want to see him as if I marry you, now privilege for you. You should be happy that I marry you. Life is not all about money. Before you marry man, except if you want marry today, divorce and tomorrow, now you go just they blind to anything when the man tell you, of which is not like that. And this man now be say they use the woman till they swear, say you no go chook leg for outside, you no go sleep with another man. Person where get 7 wives, tell me how wanted to satisfy all the 7 wives together. Tell me how is it possible? Now every day that man tell the fuck. So how is it possible that he can satisfy these women, and even young women like this man they marry, they put them under bondage? If these women are hungry women now, say out of hunger, that is this life. It's just all about money. But money is not everything. Money cannot buy you joy. Money cannot buy you life. There are a lot of things that money cannot do for us. Despite money is very, very good. We don't see her on YouTube and on Instagram. Most of now we don't come across the video. So this one sounds as a lesson to everybody. All that glitters are not gold. It's not all about driving luxury car, buy luxury watch. Life not just end for waiting they see. How can a reasonable woman who might be say a brain never knock go allow his small pikin whenever I complete 20 years finish marry man of 60 years as number 7 of wife? Which kind of greedy mother would do that kind of thing? He not did this world. Now the marriage Regina una for sian. So I just pity for Regina Daniel and Ned Nwoko, where they think say in a God over women life. So if he marry you, you should be grateful to God that person like him marry you, because according to him, that is what he see himself to be in the lives of women. So in they help the society, in they help the women. Person like Ned Nwoko, if they marry this kind of man, maybe the man might divorce you or you might divorce him one day. Anything where this man they buy for you, just make sure, say, go this shoe. Make sure say now your name they did the receipt. Anything at all, make sure say now your name now they did the receipt, because person like this kind rich, big head sense man without sense, trust me, this kind of man, if he's done with you, if you want to, maybe you want to leave or he wants to leave you, go reach the shoe or slippers so he buy for you, he go collect them from your hand. This kind of man, he go leave you just the way he takes a wash, so you call the shows for Instagram. All this car, make sure that your name the day inside though. Make it not over you at the end of the day. You go see yourself for square zero. You just have to be wise, because Ned Nwoko, there's nothing like love. As far as he's concerned, there's nothing like love. You know, guys say love. When I saw her, it was just love as at first sight, as Mama Regina they make and the scenes. The man I say attraction. He just like, I saw her with her mom in my compound and I just like her, and they like me dating tomorrow now. So this man now, he's very ready to marry as much wife as possible, because he sees himself as the Messiah of women. When the money is good, but not at the expense of your pikin joy, because marriage too long where be say you go first person enter, or you go rush enter, or it too long. Not be school say after you don't go and 3 years you go come out for inside. Nobody they marry to come out. Trust, that is why you want to be very, very careful before you they enter, because it won't be nice if you don't marry so tomorrow you can't divorce. I pity for women where they can do anything just because of money. They can give their children all because of money. I just pity for them. If this Mama Regina were to be one kind poor, hungry person now, at least I will say, okay, it would have been an excuse. But in their case, it was not like that. Now just open eye, big eye, now they worry them, greed. Now they make them, they enter where they're not supposed to enter. See an Regina Daniel is now front of car. Regina Daniel is now so front of car, they sit down in a net. You go, time they come, say, even back seat, say, not going to reach your hand. Even the back seat of Ned Nwoko motor, you're not going to reach your hand again.
So you can just do things right now while the sun still dey shine, because it go soon over you. And when I mean say soon, the soon is just at the corner. So my people, I just react a little bit to this Regina Daniel matter, because I don't want to talk too much, because I've never been against her getting married to whoever she wants to get married to. But knowing that she get married to this kind man where they see himself as Messiah in the life of women, it's not nonsense. I just can't take it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not. So if you have, thanks so much for coming back. See you on my next video. Bye.